The president is trying to stop the play Echoes of War by Butere Girls High School. Do you think is right? Write down the comment in the comment section below. The Echoes of War by Butere Girls High School imeibua hisia mbalimbali miongoni mwa Wakenya, hata wengine wamefunguka macho. In fact, the president amekataa, anapinga kabisa hii play isiweze kufanyika. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu number one, hii play vile umeisikia, wamemuita nani? Zakayo aweze kufanya nini? Ashuke. Zakayo must go, Ruto must go, they must go. You saw the other time ule jamaa wa KDF alisema kwamba hiyo must go isikuwe ikitumika, isitumike kabisa, na Wakenya wakareact wakasema kwamba jamaa, umeingia kwenye siasa, why are you in politics? Yet KDF hawafai, watafaa kukaa mbali na siasa, but alikuja akasema kitu kama hiyo. So they must go imetumika katika hii play, na hii ni kama kumkejeli the president who is William Samoei Ruto. Lakini kumbuke the script writer ambaye ni jamaa anaitwa Cleo Malala, kumbe jamaa ni msomi bana, mpaka anaandikia high school shule ya upili kama Butere Girls script, mpaka inatoka district, inatoka county, inapita regional, mpaka sasa inaingia national. Na usikii ati ikifaulu, of which kama charges watafanya haki, yeah, it should qualify, na ikiqualify itakuwa played, itakuwa performed at the Statehouse, and the one William Samoei Ruto does not want that, ataki hivyo, kwa sababu number one, hiyo ni kukejeri him as a person. Number two, hiyo ni kulet down the government, hiyo ni kuwekelea chini the government, the image of the government, the image of him as the president is going to be ridiculed. So by announcing or by trying all means to stop the play from being performed is a clear indication that it doesn't want the image of him as a president yanze kukua kusemwa. Already imesema, already now the damage has happened. Vile umestopisha, umemwaga maskari kule kwa ground huku Nakuru, kila mtu Mkenya hata nje ya taifa la Kenya amejua, hata yule hakuwa anajua that there is a play known as Echoes of War by Butere Girls High School. Kila mtu sasa anajua kuna hiyo kitu inaplayiwa, na and this is the reasons why inakataliwa. Unajua, once the state inakataa kitu, ule Mkenya tu mwenye ana shughuli tu na kufuatilia vitu zina happen kwa hii nchi, lazima afuatilia ajue why is the state not so sure. Mbona state inajiingiza kwa mambo ya high school, mambo ya mastude bana wa high school? Mbona wasialau watu hii wa perform to hii play, because there is a probability they don't know even the meaning of what is in the script. So wanafaa, so they know now, the Kenyans wanajua kabisa chenye ina happen. And don't forget that the script writer is Malala, who is perceived to be, or who is known a non-opposition leader, yani one of the opposition members ambaye ameweza kuscript hii. Kwani ulikuwa unataka script yaje? That was the motive of that. Yes, it is likely that the opposition grouped themselves and sponsored the whole script so that it to tarnish the name of the president. Tunasema venye iko, and the president is very keen not to allow anybody to tarnish his name for any gain. So amekuja amesimama kidete na amemwaga maskari. So we are just waiting to see whether this play is going to be performed or not, and the reason why, because it was confirmed earlier yesterday that the play is verified and is going to be performed. The organizers said yesterday that the play is going to be performed, so it's a matter of time. And if the president is going to stop this play, he's gonna give the reasons so that Kenyans now, when wamejua sana, because hii story imeenda sana, so that they need an information, they need an explanation why the president stopped the play. But me and you knows the reason. The reason is Ruto must go. surely the president might not allow that nonsense in the play, but we are just waiting to see how the whole drama, the story within a story, the drama within a drama, the play within a play is going to unfold. We're just going to follow this among other news, and we are going to inform you as we get them. Remember, our aim is to keep you informed, entertained, and educated. So be there. Be standby as we gather the whole story, the whole information, and feed you at your own convenience. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Thank you.